is how we recommend you unroll the ramp. It's pretty simple and straightforward. The upper end has a sticker that says upper end, and obviously that goes on the top. And then what you do, the easiest way to unroll it is just to set it on its side, grab it like this, and it folds itself out. Then what you want to do is avoid these pinch points, make sure all the caution covers are in place, and then gently over like that, and put it in place. And when you put it in place, make sure to have one section plus the approach plate on the surface that you're going up to, so you don't rest all the weight on these approach plates. And that's it.